Alright, for homework, I'm going to ask you to recreate the graphs that we are looking at in class in Desmos. So make sure you sign in to Desmos when you open it and build a table for each graph. So for instance, I'm actually going to create a note here, and the note is going to say graph A. So the first table that I create is going to be with the information from graph A. Now we're going to have to choose points that make sense from graph A, or that we can make sense out of. So for instance, I am going to try to find points on this graph that look like they're right at the intersection of two lines. So we can start with this intersection, 0, 0. So we'll start by putting 0, 0 into the table, and then it looks like we have another intersection here of two lines on the graph. And it looks like that gives us the intersection between 20 and 1, and it looks like another clean intersection is up here. So on our X part of the table, the bottom part, we're going to have 0, 20, and 90. And on the Y data, we're going to have 0, 1, and 5. So we're going to have 0, 20, and 90. And here we're going to have 0, 1, and 5. And you're just going to graph that data exactly the way we have it, and we're going to leave it like that. You're going to do the same thing for graph B and graph C. Just plot 2 to 3 points per graph that come off cleanly. And when we look at the graphs, we can begin to see that there are some points that come off nice and clean and some that don't. So make sure you sign in, make sure you save this, and this will be your homework for tomorrow.